How to insert a video clip between two videos or two video clips that you're currently editing using the YouCut video editor app. And of course, as always, make sure you have the latest update. It is now 2025 at the time of this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's just say you have your video here, you're currently working with it, and now you realize that you want to add this video piece that you found or you have on your phone, and you want to insert it somewhere, maybe around here, this part of your video. So let me just look into this closer for you. You see where this orange bar is? You want to make sure you place that into where you want to insert a split. And you need to insert a split so that you can separate the single video into two videos. So to do this now, once you place the orange line here where you want to separate your videos here, tap on it one time like this here. You'll notice these tools will appear and you'll see the split option right here. Go ahead and tap on that one time. And now with that, as you tap on either one of them here, you'll see that there is a little separation here. So wherever this orange bar is, you're currently actually viewing that video. So you want to make sure it's on the first video, so that when you insert that video clip that you want to place between these two videos here, it will appear after that. And no worries, you can rearrange them later on and I'll show you that. So now to add your video, once you have the orange bar here on this video clip here, you can press this, then look for the video that you want to add. And of course, you can always choose to long press to preview them. So maybe you want to add this one here, and then I'll just select it, press this, and you'll notice now it appeared right after the video that was separated into two. Okay, so this is the first portion, and then now it's inserted between the two video clips. Okay, and just in case this one here that you just inserted didn't appear where you want it to be, you can always long press on it like this here, and then it'll give you the option to drag and swap. This is going to allow you to switch them over. So let's just say this one appeared to the far end and not between the two clips here. You can just hold it and place it and then press the check mark, and then it's going to appear between the two clips there like that. Okay, and then now you'll have your inserted video clip between two video clips with YouCut Video Editor app. And that is that. Like and sub.